Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Fitness with Rasika. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 best fruits for weight loss, and you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. So let's begin with our video. So the first fruit which we are going to talk about today is sweet lime or sweet lemon. Now sweet lemon comes from a family of lemons, but it has a higher acidic value as compared to the normal lemon, and it is rich in vitamin C as well as citric acid. So it is known as a low energy density food, which means that you can eat a large amount of this food and yet you will be consuming very few calories. So basically this is what makes sweet lime an ideal food for weight loss. Now it also has a high amount of fiber, which means that the fiber will satiate your hunger and will keep you full for a longer time as compared to other foods which you eat, like carbs or fats. So also 100 grams of sweet lime contains 88 grams of water, which means that you are not only going to stay full but you are also going to stay hydrated. It also has potassium, which is very important for cleansing the kidneys. So you are going to have a really good kidney health, and which will also prevent gout, which is commonly called as arthritis. So sweet lime is really a good option for weight loss. So the next fruit which we are going to talk about is watermelon. Now we all know that watermelon comes out in summers and we all love watermelons, but it is an amazing food if you're going for weight loss or if you hit the gym regularly. So why this? This is because watermelon is rich in antioxidants and it has lycopene. So lycopene is a phytonutrient which reduces blood pressure, and it also has many healthy heart compounds like lycopene, citrulline, etc., which dilate the blood vessels and keep your heart healthy. It also has an important property, which is it can reduce the muscle soreness which comes after a strenuous workout. So whenever you are going to go to the gym and do a heavy workout and you have sore muscles in the morning, you can surely go for watermelon. So the next fruit which we are going to talk about is guava. Now guava is an amazing midday snack fruit with power packed nutrition. It has a high amount of fiber which helps in digestion. It also curbs your appetite and reduces the chances of weight gain. Then it makes you feel full for longer durations and also helps to avoid hunger pangs which you get if you skip meals. Also it is a food with a low glycemic index. In fact, it is a food with the lowest glycemic index, which makes it a food which is best for diabetics. And so basically all these factors make it a good fruit, but there's one more to it. That is that this fruit not only has fiber, but it has proteins, it has vitamins, and it also has minerals, which makes you eat a power packed nutrition instead of just water. So the red rich fruit is known to be the world's healthiest for a reason. It is rich in vitamin A, C, vitamin E and folic acid. Then actually you will be surprised to know that the amount of antioxidants in pomegranate is 3 times higher than those which are present in green tea. So now you know that how high the level of antioxidants is there in pomegranate. So what these antioxidants do is they wave off all the free radicals which are present in the body and which are responsible for aging or premature aging. So basically it will give you an anti-aging effect. And with the increasing age and the lifestyle that we have adapted to, people have started facing many heart diseases or problems due to cholesterol, which are the reasons for the blockages in arteries. So what these antioxidants in pomegranates do, they prevent the bad cholesterol from oxidizing, which in turn prevents formation of clots. So basically it will give you a healthy heart, and also it is actually known for its appetite suppressing property. So it is a good appetite suppressant, and whenever you feel like eating something sweet, you can always go and have a pomegranate. So suppressing your appetite will help you with weight loss, and especially weight loss around your belly, which means lower belly fat. So the last fruit for today is cantaloupe or muskmelon. I know this fruit doesn't make up to the favorite list of many people, but it surely is a healthy snack. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, carotenoids, and antioxidants. It has antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, then cryptoxanthin. So these basically, what they do is they neutralize the free radicals present in your body and support optimal health. So 2 slices of muskmelon or cantaloupe before lunch or between meals can help you reduce the total food intake of your day if you are having really heavy meals. And this is the way in which it helps you to reduce weight or maintain your weight, that it helps you to control or reduce your total food intake. And even if you're craving for something sweet, you can surely make up a fruit salad with cantaloupe, berries, anything like, whatever you like with it. If you're having sugar cravings, this is one of the best options. So this was all for today. See you next time with a new topic. Keep watching, keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Let's have a fitter lifestyle. Bye bye.